It's Al Robinson at First Trust Mortgage. It's September 23rd. It's Wednesday, and the topic of today is around wedding gifts as a source of down payment for mortgages and to buy a house. I thought I was doing some research for a client, and I thought the answer was interesting, so I thought we'd make a short video out of it. But here's what lenders do. What we do is we look at bank statements and we look at large deposits differently than we look at little deposits. A large deposit is anything that's over 50% of what the income is on a monthly basis that we're using for a client. So let's say, for the sake of example, you bring in $4,000 a month gross. That's what you get paid. You bring in $3,000 after taxes. But we look at that $4,000, and any large deposit over $2,000, we're going to look for a source. So let's say you got married, let's say you got wedding gifts, and you took and deposited $8,000. We're going to look for a source. You're going to use that for a down payment. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac look at it one way, and FHA and VA look at it a different way. And let's just do conventional loans for Fannie and Freddie at this point. And what they say is, with proper documentation, meaning that you deposit the money in less than 90 days, and we can verify that you did have a wedding and where the funds came from, meaning you don't have to show each and every check. You don't have to show if it was cash, but it's just got to have some level of proof that you did get married with a wedding invitation or whatnot, and it's okay. FHA and VA are different. They basically don't address it in their guidelines, so it's a case by case. And typically, if we find out in advance of actually the purchase contract, we do some rearranging and make it so it is verifiable. So the short answer is yes, in most cases, wedding funds can be used for down payments on Fannie and Freddie, much more difficult on VA and on FHA, and let's leave it at that. It depends a lot, and we'd have to do some structuring. If you'd like to know more about the topic or anything else on mortgages or real estate, you can always call me at 954-415-6133, or you could always go to borrowsmart.biz, B-I-Z. Have a great day.